Many success people say no to network marketing. But some success people says if I was cursed and become zero, I will start with network marketing. Many people says I lost everything in network marketing. But some others, it gives me lakhs and crores. Why should I leave it? Then why are you waiting? Grab a chair to relax because I'm gonna give you something today. Hello everyone, this is Karthikeya and welcome to my channel. Network marketing, MLM, or pyramid selling, MLM, multi-level marketing. From my point of view, network marketing means company needs some business. If you are gonna give business, that is portion of business from your side, then it's gonna give you commission. For how much business you give, it gives commission. That is network marketing from my opinion. More business you give, more commission it gives. There are three types of network marketings: single tier network marketing, two tier network marketing, and multi-level network marketing. Single tier network marketing. In this network marketing, there is no need to refer others. Just you register as a distributor in the company and you just start selling the products to your customers and you earn money. In two tier network, it is also called as two-leg systems. In these systems, you need to balance two legs. You have to refer two members and you have to build a team under you. You will be the upline and whoever you referred will be in your downline. You have to balance two legs. And multi-level network marketing, in this you can have more than two legs. That means you can refer more than two in your downline. Every company has a structure and plan. If you build in these companies, it gives you points, that is business value. Whatever your downline makes a business to you, whatever they build, you'll get a business value. For every purchase you and your downline makes, you'll get BB plan. Coming to the plan, let's understand this with an example. If you get 1000 BB from you or from your side, that is from your downline or from you, you will get 5% of commission. And next, if you make 1 lakh BB, you will get 15% of commission. If you make 2 lakh BB, you will get 20% of commission. Like this, if you make more and more business, you will get more and more points. More and more points means more and more income. If you purchase 1000 rupees products, you will get 30 BB in one company, you will get 500 BB in one company, and you will get 10,000 BB in another company. It's purely based on company's plan. Hope you understand what is network marketing and how it will be and how you can make income. My suggestions from here is, first thing, how to select a company. My suggestion is to select a two tier or two leg company, which is better when compared to the other. Because coming to the single tier, you have to purchase. Only depends on purchase and selling. If you are a distributor, it is better. But coming to the two leg systems, you have referred two members and there are two legs for you, team A and team B. After few days, another friend came to you and he want to join this business. You can't have your friend as a leg, so you have to give him to your downline, either to team A or team B. You have to just give your friend to your downline and register under your downline, so that it helps to motivate your downline. It helps to work harder. It gives support to the downline. In the same way, you also get the team from your upline. His friends also will come to your downline. So in this way, you will get full support from your upline and you can also support to your downlines. Next, here multi-level marketing. In this marketing, you'll have more legs. So whenever a new friend comes, you will make another leg. You can't support your downline. In the same way, your upline also makes another leg, but he will not support you. So more chance for two leg system. So my preference is go for two leg systems. Next, select free joining company. There is no need to pay money at joining. That company you must select. Next, third point, products. Select multi-product company instead of few products, so that you can purchase whatever you want. If there are only few products and you don't want to purchase them and you don't want that products, but some companies make mandatory of purchasing those products only, so it becomes difficult. So select multi-product company having more products instead of few products. Selection completed. Now what are the mistakes most of the network marketing people or distributors are doing, what have to be done to get income from network marketing, and what they are actually doing, what are the mistakes they are actually doing. Billing from you is basic, but billing from your team is more important. Many of the people, what they do is they will invest more and more money in network marketing. They will just go and buy the products, and they will try to build points from their side. Build a team, refer. The more team you have, the more business you can get. You can invest 1 lakh rupees for 1 month. You can't invest 1 lakh for every month. So if you have a team, they will purchase the basic needs, they will build the basic needs every month, they will refer, they will build. So team is more important than your bill. So basic bill is okay, but team is more important. More team you have, more points you get, more points you get, more income you get. So never and ever invest huge amount in network marketing. Main point is refer, build a team. How people are earning more income in network marketing? They have more team instead of more investment. How people are losing means they are investing and doing nothing. Some people just register and invest and do nothing. They don't refer, they will invest every month. They stay for months, they stay for years, they don't get any profit because they are not referring, they are giving just business to the uplines. Lastly, select a company and learn the plan is more important. Every business, every company has its own plan, so learn the plan. For how many points you get, how much income. What happens in network marketing means, if you refer 1,000 people in span of 3 years, that means refer 1% daily. In 1,000 people, you just get 100 people okay to this business. In 100 people, only 25% will actively participate in your business. In 25 people, also just invest, just listen to your words and do the business for 2 or 3 months. In 25 people, you'll get only 5 to 7 people who are main leaders. So for 1,000 people, you get only 5 people as a leaders. In network marketing, you get more disappointment, but living in the middle will never gives you profit. So that's it, guys. If you are interested in joining network marketing, which I was in actually, so you can contact me in my Insta is also given in my description. You can contact me there. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up so that I can know that you like my video, and share to others who need this. Let's meet in next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.